Oh my god. Ah! Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the annoying orange effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. So these are just a few things that you'll need. You'll need to record yourself saying your lines or whatever, and while you're doing this, try to keep the camera as still as possible. I was using my hand, so it was a bit shaky. Next, you'll also need a picture of the fruit or the object that you're going to use. So we can get to work. So I already imported my items into Microsoft PowerPoint. First things first, I'm going to set this video to play, set the animation to play. I'm also going to duplicate the video. So I'm just going to click copy. And now I'm going to the format tab and I'm going to crop this video. And I'm going to crop it around by my mouth. I don't want to use the nose because it looks really weird because the lime is kind of rough, so it looks weird on the lime. So I'm going to drag it into place, resize it, and this is where the fun comes in. I'm going to the video effects tab under the format tab, click on the soft edges, drop down arrow, and I'm going to select this second to last one here. You could select whichever one that looks better. And you could see it hardly shows the mouth, so I'm going to the crop and just play around with it until you can clearly see the mouth. Still can't see it, so you want to crop it some more. And there we go. So now I'm going to add the color. I'm going to the format tab into color, and I'm going to select green because the lime is green. And now I'm going to paste the video again. Basically I'm doing the same thing, going into the crop tab, cropping up to my eyes this time, leaving out the nose because we're not going to use it. It's the same thing we're doing, lining it up. I'm going to let this play with previous so that they both play at the same time. So yeah, and now going into the format tab and I'm adding the green color to this one as well. So there you have it. That's basically the annoying orange effect completed there, and you can export it as a video. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.